Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can draw manually in your notes on Evernote. So let us dive into this. Head over to your note on Evernote, and what you want to do is start a new line in your text field here and enter the command / and then not draw but sketch. And you will see that feature here. Click into it and that is going to redirect you to that drawing tool. Here you may, for example, use that zoom in the top left, add various shapes, use a background color, a background pattern. And here to the left, guys, you will see various pencils or pens like this one here or that one. Select it, and what you want to do next is click into that button here to adjust or customize the thickness of the brush. Select the color. Let me go with that yellow one here. And after that, simply start drawing. And that's basically it. Now, if you'd like to undo the given drawing, simply use that undo button here, or use Ctrl Z on your keyboard, or Command Z if you're using a Mac, or you may, for example, use the eraser as well. Here, that's that one here to the left, and simply erase your drawing. So that's basically it. So let me add it. Oh, that's not the one I would like to use. Let me use that pencil here. So that face here. So once you would like to add it to your note, click into done in the top right, and that's it. The drawing will be added to your note like any other item. You may resize it, like edit or attached images. You may zoom into it. You may click into that button to keep editing the drawing. Click into these three dots here to download it as an image and to view the full screen. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.